Okay, I will take one more example on the placement question. So this is the question given in the Infosys placement drive. So first of all, okay, read the problem statement. Check if the door is opened or closed. Okay, so along with that, they have given some rules. You are given n doors and n persons. So doors are numbered from 1 to n. Persons are also numbered from 1 to n. So each door has only two states. Okay, it may be either in open state or it may be in the closed state. Okay, so the fourth condition, initially all doors are in the closed state. Okay, now coming to rules you have to follow while writing a program. A person with ID I is authorized to change the status of all doors whose door number is a multiple of I. Okay, for example, if I take n equal to 4, how many doors will be there? There will be 4. Okay, and then how many persons are there? 4 persons. Okay, then a person ID equal to 1 can change all doors. Why? Because it is multiple of all. For example, I1 is a multiple of first door, second door, third, and then fourth door. Okay, person ID equal to 2, then you can change only the status of second and fourth door. Why? Because 2 and 4 are the multiples of 2. If person ID equal to 3, he can change only the third door. Why? Because 3 is the multiple of 3. So 1, 2, 4 are not, they are not multiples of 3. Person ID equal to 4, he can change only the fourth door. 1, 2, 3 are the not multiples of 4. That is what the this meaning, rules meaning. Okay, see, each person changes the status of their authorized doors exactly once in order from person 1 to person n. Multiple people may change the same door at different times. Now task, print the final status of all doors after all persons have completed their actions. Okay, now example 1 here. See, input equal to 3 means what? I am taking 3 doors and then 3 persons. Now initially what is the status of all the doors? They will be in the closed state. Okay, person 1 can change the status of all the doors. Door 1, door 2, door 3. Why? Because all are the multiples of 1 is a multiple of all 1, 2, 3. Now person 2 can, what is the meaning of toggles? He is going to act on door 2. Okay, that is called toggles. The person 2 can change the status of only door 2. Okay, he cannot change the status of door 1 and door 3. So what about person 3? He can change the status of only door 3. Then what is the final answer? Open, closed, closed. That is what the problem. If I take example 2, if input equal to 4, so I am having 4 doors, 4 persons. It is very simple. So person 1 can change status of the all the doors open, open, open. So initially all the doors in the closed state. Now can you guess what about person 2? He can change the status of the 2 and 4. Okay, so person 3 can change the status of only 3. Okay, person 4 can change status of the only fourth door. Then it becomes closed, becomes open. Then what is the final answer? Open, closed, closed, open. This is the final answer. Okay, so that is what the idea. Okay, this is the code. You may take your own code. Okay, so I am reading the code. N equal to number of doors. So this meaning is initially all the doors in the closed state. Okay, so this piece of code I will explain below. Okay, then this is the one more piece of code. So n equal to 4, what will be the answer? Open, closed, closed, open. Okay, this is about the okay, output. Okay, so very simple explanation. See, you are given n doors and n people. The doors are numbered from 1 to n. The people are also numbered from 1 to n. Every door can be either in the open or closed. Okay, at the beginning all are in the closed state. Okay, this is what I told. Okay, so after all people have finished changing the doors, find and print the final status of the every door from 1 to n. Okay, that is what here. So n equal to 4, open, 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 open. Okay, 2 can change only 2 and 4. Why? Because the 2 is the multiple of 2 and 4. Okay, 2 by 2 0, 2 4 by 2 0. So third one, what? You can change the third door. That is what the answer. Finally, this is the answer. Okay. So now here, if you want still more explanation, now see here. This is important. If a person touches a door, it will be closed, and then that is what toggles. Toggles means he is going to touch or act on the door. It becomes closed to open. Open becomes closed. That is what here. Okay. Now here, in simple explanation, person 1 id equal to 1. So multiples of 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, touches all the doors. Then what will be the door status? All closed doors can be into the open state. Okay, now person 2 id equal to 2, he can touches only 2 and 4. Then door 2, 4 becomes open to the closed, open to the closed. Why? Because starting all becomes open, closed to open. Now this and this will be become closed. That is what closed. What will be the output? Open, closed, open, closed. Now can you guess what will be the id equal to 3? Open, closed. This will be modified. What will be the output? Open, closed, closed, closed. Okay, that is what output. Now what about id equal to 4? So he can touches only fourth door. Why? Because 1, 2, 3 are the not multiples of 4. Then what will be the output? Open, closed, closed. This becomes open. Okay, this is about final output. Okay, so that is all about the program here. Now coming to simple explanation about the code. Now given this is the main logic of the code. Person in range 1 to n plus 1. Okay, this is outer for loop, inner for loop. This is doors of door equal to not doors. Okay, it is negation. Now here, for example, for this code I am taking n equal to 2. Initially, what will be the status of doors? False means they will be in the closed state. Door 1 index 0, status equal to closed. Door 2 index equal to 1, status equal to closed. Okay, now coming to outer for loop, what is the meaning here? 1 to n equal to 2. Okay, n equal to 2, 1 plus 2, nothing but a 1 to 3. 1 comma 3. Then n equal to 2 means what? Person equal to 1, person equal to 2. So each person acts only one by one. Person 1 inner for loop. Now here see, for door in person 1 minus 1 comma n person. Okay, so if you take person equal to 1, what will be the value? 1 minus 1 0, and then n equal to 2. What is the value here? 1. So here this is the step size, range of 0 comma 2 comma 1. It is step size. First 0, 0 plus 1 1. That is what here 0 1. So you can touches all the doors. Then what will be the output? Doors of 0, not doors. Okay, then status equal to closed becomes open, again closed becomes open. Okay, that is what the code here. Okay, this is what the code, third statement. Okay, now so doors equal to becomes true means what? Open, open. Person equal to 2. Then what will be the inner for loop? 2 minus 1 what? 1 comma n equal to 2. This is 2. So this is step size. 1 plus 2 3. There is no 3. So then there will be only one person. That is what? 1. Person 2 touches door 2 only. That is what? Doors of 1 equal to not doors of 1. Then what? Open becomes a closed. Finally what will be the answer? Answer equal to open and then closed. Okay, now coming to this is example. This is the code I explained. Okay, so finally what? Condition to print to open. If condition false, you have to print closed part. This is the main logic. Okay, so for example, if I take n equal to 2. Okay, n equal to 2, what will be the output? Open and then closed. 2. So open, closed. If I take n equal to 3, what will be the answer? Okay, open, closed, closed. 3. So open, closed, closed. If I take n equal to 4, what will be the answer? So open, closed, closed, open. Okay, that is what the answer. Okay, so this is the problem statement. What is the question they have given? Check if the door is opened or closed. Okay. Okay,